Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your MoneyGram account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is how do you unlink or remove your bank account from MoneyGram? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to unlink your bank account from MoneyGram anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that sometimes your overseas contractors ask you to pay them through MoneyGram, and with MoneyGram, you can pay with a credit card, debit card, or connected bank. But as you know, with the bank account, sometimes it's pretty slow. It could be 3 or 4 business days before they receive the money. So maybe you'd rather just go ahead and remove your bank account and use your debit card. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your MoneyGram dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my MoneyGram account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to delete or remove your bank account, here on the top right, you're going to click on View Profile Info. Okay, so once you click there, you're going to look to the right and you're going to see payment methods. So here you can see your debit cards and credit cards that are connected, and right below that you should see online banking. So you can see my bank is connected, and then to delete or remove it, click on this delete button here to the right. Now before you do that, I want to let you know that in order to add your bank account again, you're not going to see a button to add your bank in MoneyGram. That's going to be handled when you send another transaction. You'll want to choose connect bank as a bank transfer, and then during that process it'll ask you to add the bank account. But if you're okay with that, click on delete. Once you do that, you're going to see this pop up. Are you sure you want to remove this bank account from your MoneyGram profile? Go ahead and click on delete account. Okay, quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you can see my bank account has been deleted from my MoneyGram account, so I can no longer transfer money using that bank account unless I come back in here and add it. And like I said earlier, you can see there's no add bank account feature. You would have to go through the sending process, and during that process you can add the bank again. So there you have it guys. If you're wondering how to delete or remove a bank account from your MoneyGram account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.